Worksuite Review 2025, the best freelancer management platform. Managing freelancers can be chaotic, but Worksuite promises to simplify project management, invoicing, and collaboration. Is it the best platform for freelancers in 2025? Let's dive in. Worksuite centralizes task assignment, time tracking, invoicing, and communication in one dashboard. Most people get this wrong. They think freelancer platforms are just marketplaces, but Worksuite allows teams and managers to monitor progress, approve timesheets, and generate payments automatically. You won't believe what happens next. You can even automate recurring projects, client approvals, and reminders, cutting down on repetitive admin work. It integrates with payment gateways, accounting software, and project reporting tools, making it easier to track profitability and deadlines. The mobile app lets freelancers log hours, submit invoices, and chat with clients on the go, which is critical for remote teams. Pricing is subscription-based with different tiers depending on features and number of users. While it may not be cheap for very small teams, the efficiency gains often justify the cost. So, is Worksuite the best freelancer management platform? For growing teams or agencies managing multiple freelancers, it's highly effective. For solo freelancers handling a few clients, lighter tools might be sufficient. The surprising truth is that good management software does just organize work. It increases productivity, reduces errors, and ensures everyone gets paid on time.